In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock Facebook profile. So let's get started. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now go to menu by tapping on profile picture at the bottom right side. Now tap gear icon at the top, which is for settings and privacy. Now scroll down and under audience and visibility section, you will find an option profile locking. Just tap on it. Now, if you are sure to lock your Facebook profile, then go ahead and tap Lock Your Profile button. By doing this, only your friends can see your photos, posts, and stories. Only friends can see your full-size profile image. Other people can still able to search your name and send you friend request. So that is how you can lock your Facebook profile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.